family. How is everyone doing? All right, you guys, I'm a day late, but I got 3 excuses. My first sister moved, my niece moved, and then my second sister moved. So I'm kind of like what you would call the interior decorator. I help them hang their pictures and buy a little whatnot. So I've been kind of busy. Then I'm going to move. But you guys, I'm going to take you on a tour once I move and get set up. But anyway, we're going to do something very simple today. Have you ever had a craving for something hot, then something sweet, and you just didn't know what you wanted? Well, I figured it out. Today I am going to do a shrimp stuffed sweet potato. I know. Stay with me, you guys. Stay with me. It's going to be so delicious. Trust me when I tell you. All right, here, now this is just for me. So, you know, if you have more than one, you would use more than one potato. Here I have one sweet potato. What you're going to do, wash it. And I always like to cut these ends off. And you're going to bake it until it's fork tender. Here I have some large shrimp that we're going to saute. And what we're going to do, we're going to season it, the shrimp, with some cayenne pepper, salt, maybe a little garlic powder, and get that heat going. And then we're going to take that sweet potato, cut it in half. We're going to use butter. We're going to use cloves. We're going to use nutmeg. And we're going to use cinnamon. And we're going to use some sea salt. So go ahead, wash your potato, wrap it up in foil, and once it's done, I will come back and I will show you what we will do with the shrimp. So don't go too far. Give me about 45 minutes and I'll be back. All right, Raw family, the sweet potato is done. So I'm just letting it stay wrapped in the foil until I get ready to stuff it. But the brown sugar, I made a mixture. So I got brown sugar, melted butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. Because when I slice, you know, when I cut the potato in half, I want all of my seasonings to just melt down in there. Because if I put the cinnamon first and then the nutmeg, it might clump. So if you do it this way, it would just melt down in the sweet potato. And also, instead of sauteing the shrimp, I think we're going to fry them because we need texture, because the sweet potato is soft. So we're going to fry these shrimp. Of course, I will have the seasonings I use, but as I stated, I did want something spicy. So in here, I definitely have cayenne pepper, but you can season it the way you would like it. I think if you used Old Bay, I think it would power out your sweet potato. I mean, you want some nice heat and some saltiness, but you don't want it to kill your beautiful sweet potato. All right, so I just some of them I cut up and some of them I left whole, because the ones that I left whole, I'm probably going to eat, you guys. All right, so let's let the grease get hot, then I'll come back and we'll fry these babies up. Okay, now you know that shrimp do not take long. Okay, so make sure your skillet is hot, because we're going to drop these babies in maybe 2 to 3 minutes and take them out. So make sure your oil is hot. So when I come back, you guys, I will show you the final presentation and product of the shrimp stuffed sweet potato. All right, I'll see you in a couple of minutes.